I'm Sammy, one of the mentors here at ACMM, and Jen and I just wrapped up our last Business Lounge Live for 2025, where we were really focusing on planning with purpose. And we got to step all of the wonderful attendees through how to create a high-level business plan and really take that and craft an actionable and realistic 90-day plan in their business. And it was really just so exciting to see people new to business, starting business, established business, really come and share. It was really great.
Yeah, it was very inspiring, Sammy. You really help people think about their why, their values, and what's important for them in some key areas of business to plan for and be really strategic and focused on creating in their business in a short period of time, like 90 days. I know I certainly got a lot out of it.
Yeah, great. And yeah, so if you joined us live, I hope that you enjoy the planning. And of course, if you didn't get an opportunity to join us live, then you can watch the playback in the Business Lounge and you will get a full booklet that accompanied the session to really help you step through and create your own tangible plan.